We know who does all the work. Hey Eli. Just paddling through a cave in Halong Bay with a military helicopter flying over. No? Just a normal helicopter. Ah, lucky helicopter.
Helicopter?
Helicopter flying over. Hey bro. Yeah. For 40 V&D you'd think you'd be able to buy one that doesn't leak.
My legs are so wet.
God,
I didn't say moist, I said wet.
This is on camera, people, ladies and gentlemen. This is, public. Yeah, well, I'll definitely upload it now that you said that. Anyway.
Paddle, Lily, paddle.
Paddle, Lily. Come on, paddle. Paddle backwards. Don't paddle forwards. Paddle backwards. Okay. I think you pushed in the mud. Yeah, Mum, yeah, you're learning paddle. Anh paddle far, now em paddle. Now I'm tired, mad quá. Are you going backwards, going forwards? I'll go here. Uh-oh. We're going into the mud again. Okay. Okay. Yep. Now going back again. Yes, yeah. Who said you're not my son? Joking. Hey, don't splash me. Camera. That qua. Mad qua. Paddle 1 minute. 1 foot. Anh paddle far. No far.
Thì em living here, okay.
Living here, sleep here, eat here. Oh, 6 here. What? 6 o'clock we go. Okay. Here's people coming, working hard. Xin chào. What a beautiful place to work, hey? If you got to do a job, working in a place like this couldn't be too bad. Oh. Yelling out for the husband. Hey, you made lots of money. Yet. Okay. He's catching something. It's low tide at the moment. He's catching something in the grass. All right. We'll go and see.